Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm gonna be doing a makeup tutorial for you guys and I'm so excited about it. I've already done my brows, but before I get started, I want to let you guys know that this tutorial I'm doing today is gonna be mainly about my shadows because that's the product I'm gonna be showing to you guys. I'm starting off by adding some concealer to my lid, and for this you could use any concealer of your choice. Next, I'm going to blend that baby out all over my eyelid. So before I go any further, I want to let you guys know that this tutorial is inspired by BTL. I've been using their products for a while now and I really love them, so I decided to do a tutorial based on their products. On top of the concealer, I'm adding some eyelid primer, and this is even a lighter shade than the concealer. This will help my shadow to pop even more when I apply it. And I'm gonna blend it out just like I did with the concealer. So if you look here, you can see the difference in the shades of the two products. I'm adding pieces of tapes on the outside of my eyelid, and this is gonna control the shadows that I'm gonna be applying from getting where I don't want it. I usually don't do this, but today I'm gonna be applying some really bright colors, so I thought it would be a good idea to use it. So this is the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using today, and this is from Magic Collection. I'll definitely link their information down below for you guys. I'm starting off with this shade right here as my transition color, and I'm going to put it mainly on the top of my eyelid, going from the inner corner to the out. And I'm going to keep packing it on and blending it out until I feel like I have enough on there. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same with the other side. I'm using the same eyelid primer from earlier to do a cut crease. Now on top of that, I'm gonna add this pink right here. I'm just showing you guys real quick how pigmented this color is. I'm here for it. I'm gonna keep dabbing it on until I feel like I have enough on there. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some of this lighter shade next to the one that I just applied. I went for another palette, and this is from the same company because I want to try this orange color right here on the inner crease of my eyes. To my surprise, it turns out looking really nice, so now I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of my makeup, including my lashes and eyeliner, my foundation, everything, and then I'll be back to show you guys the finished look. And here's the finished look, you guys. I know I did not do my foundation and all that on camera, but that's because I wanted to focus on this eyeshadow palette that I love so much. I will leave the information for it in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. These eyeshadows are definitely some must-have, and I can already see myself using them all the time. As for my hair, I'll definitely leave the tutorial video down below for you guys so you could check it out if you're interested. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!